This is Sugandh Bala Singh from Yes Convent Senior Secondary School, Saurmau, Sultanpur. Students, today I will teach you the cell for class 11th biology. Students, the basic definition of cell, you know very well, the basic definition of cell is the cells are basic building blocks of living things. Another definition of cell is the smallest unit of life. One more definition of cell is the structural and functional unit of life. But students, do you know why the cell is called the basic building block of living things or basic unit of life or structural and functional unit of life? Students, basic unit of life is cell. The concept is when the male and female gamete, means female gamete ovum or ova and male gamete sperm fuse with each other with the process of fertilization and form zygote. First formed elements या first formed components is zygote, and zygote is a single cell, means first producing form is zygote and zygote is a single cell. Zygotes divide again and again and form lots of cells. Lots of cells according to their shape, size and function divide in different categories and form tissue, means zygote is a single cell and lots of cells according to their shape, size, function and origin place. Cells forms two tissue and tissues are connect with each other and form organ. Organ means there are two types of organ, internal organ and external organ. Students, external organs like ears, nose, eyes, hands, legs, etc. and internal organs like brain, kidney, lungs, liver, stomach, heart, etc. Tissue forms organ and many organs are different organs connect with each other and form organ system. Organ system like digestive system, respiratory system, excretory system, nervous system, circulatory system, etc. Students, you know very well, in the digestive system there are many organs are participated like mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. These organs combine with each other and form a system, digestive system. Like this all system, many organs are participated and form system. Then organ system connect with each other and form organ system. And organ system, many organ system connect with each other and form organism. So students, journey from single cell zygote to formation of complete organism, the smallest units, the first formation of organism is cell. So we can say the smallest unit of life is cell. And why we can say the structural and functional unit of life is cell? Students, the structure of any organism is given by cell, so we can say the structural unit of life is cell. And why we can say the functional unit of life is cell? Means the function which is performed by any organ, like brain made up of nerve cell, liver made up of hepatic cell or Kupffer cell, lungs made up of alveoli, heart made up of muscular cell or cardiac cell, and kidney made up of nephron cell. So the function of heart is pumping the blood. Pumping the blood is performed by cardiac muscle cell, and the function of nerve cell is the transformation of impulse from environment to brain and brain to the organ is performed by the nerve cell, and the gaseous exchange of lungs is performed by the lungs, or the filtration of blood is performed by the nephron. So we can say the functional unit of life is cell. Students, I hope you understand very well. So students, in this chapter we will explain the organelles of cell like mitochondria, ribosome, lysosomes, vacuoles, RNA, DNA, nucleus, etc. in detail. But first of all, we will discuss about some key points or some basic points which is essential for every student. So students, first point is the study about cell is called cytology. Study about cells means कि study about shape of cell, size, function, origin, place and composition of cells. The complete study about cell is called cytology. The next point, the term cytology is given by Hartwig. Hartwig was a scientist which is given the term cytology, and the father of cytology, next point, the father of cytology is Robert Hooke. The father of modern cytology, students, do you know the father of modern cytology? Next point, the father of modern cytology is Swanson, or you can say Son, and the father of Indian cytology. Next point, the father of Indian cytology is A.K. Sharma. Next point, students, the first observed cell. The first observed cell is dead cell. First observed cell is dead cell, which is observed by Robert Hooke in 1665. The dead cell which is observed firstly is wooden bark. Wooden bark means लकड़ी की छाल. Wooden bark, the first dead cell and the first living cell observed by next number 7, the first living cell observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Antony van Leeuwenhoek. The first observed living cell is observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, and first living cell is bacteria. Bacteria are, you can say, microbes. Bacteria are, you can say, microbes. Students, the cell theory is given by two scientists, Selden and Swan. Students, Selden is a botanist. Selden was a botanist and Swan was a zoologist. Selden studied about plant cell and Swan studied about animal cell. Selden was told in plant cell wall is present, but Swan told in animal cell wall is absent. So cell theory, next point, cell theory given by two scientists, Selden and Swanson. Selden was botanist and Swanson was a zoologist. The modern cell theory, the cell theory is given by Selden and Swan in 1839. In 1839, and the modern cell theory and the modern, or you can say the modified cell theory, the modified cell theory is given by Virchow. Virchow was also a scientist. In 1855, the modified cell theory is given, and Virchow was given a statement for cell. Virchow was given a statement for cell omnicellula e cellula. The statement of Virchow is omnicellula e cellula. Means omni means pre-existing cell. Students, the term omni means pre-existing, cellula means cell, e means two, and cellula means again cell. So according to Virchow cell theory, pre-existing cell to form new cell. Students, suppose this is a parent cell, or you can say mother cell. Parent cell divide itself and form two daughter cell. Form two daughter cell. This is daughter cell, and a process by which cell divide itself, that is called cell division. That is called cell division. So the modified cell theory is given by Virchow in 1855, and the next key point or basic points of about cell is, next, the smallest cell of universe. The smallest cell of universe is bacteria. Bacteria. The name of bacteria is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma. The size of mycoplasma is 0.1 to 0.5 μmicron. Mycoplasma, or the other name of mycoplasma is PPLO, polypluro-like organism, and the longest cell of universe. The longest, next point, 11 point, the longest cell of universe is ostrich egg. The longest cell of universe is ostrich egg, and the longest cell of human body. Next point, the longest cell of human body is nerve cell, or you can say neuron. Nerve cell or neuron. The smallest cell of human body. The smallest cell of human body is RBCs. RBCs in blood. RBCs in blood. And the longest gametic cell of human body, the next point, 14 point, the longest gametic or reproductive cell of human body. Gametic cell of human body is ova or ovum in female. And the smallest gametic cell of human body, the smallest gametic cell of human body is sperm in male. So students, here some important points or essential points about cell, and in next video lecture we will discuss the cell organelles in detail. Thank you. Have a nice day.